All right, so Jeff, where is this place?
This is the Waterside district in Norfolk.
We have a. Is this a
There used to be a lexan in this building, but they completely gutted the building, so.
So now we have a Delaware Elevator.
Yes, now we have a Delaware Elevator.
Look at that.
I like the black.
All right, we're gonna watch out the window.
Why did they get rid of the lexan?
Because they redid the whole inside.
I can't live stream down here.
All right,
You can't?
this is just generic.
I gotta throw it.
All right, let's listen. That is pretty cool. That is kind of a neat elevator, actually.
You try to take the live stream while I do it, Jason.
All right, well, that was pretty neat. That'll be it.